So no one asked, but I didn't get a boner. With a winky face. Okay. Thanks for informing me that you didn't get a boner. Hey, woman! Where are we going?
I don't know. Do you want to go that way or do the secret what?
Do the way we went last time, the secret way.
Okay. If I remember it.
Where we did our sexy video at last time for our mom.
Oh yeah, the gold rush, right?
Yeah?
Okay.
And then mine was about the slave, too.
Oh yeah. Ew, it got gross in here.
Well, yeah, it's poo-poo now. How do we get there?
This way.
Okay. Hope there ain't no hobos.
Jungle. Oh!
You're gonna provoke a wild animal to want to come eat us. Quiet.
What kind of wild? A coyote? Fuck the damn coyotes.
Hobo. We're a hobo.
Ooh, sexy!
You made that 6 women, damn weirdo.
What?
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends?